The issue I'm working on this morning on the CNC is when we automatically push stuff off, the way it's set up now, this grate right here is level with the table. Well, when you have a new spoil board on it, and this is level or just a little bit lower than the table, the spoil board's 3/4 of an inch high, is what happens is it comes off, is a lot of times the parts will jump up on top of each other and it makes a mess on the conveyor belt. And so I changed the spoil board yesterday and I realized a couple things. Is one, we never get lower than about 3/8 or 1/4 of an inch. And so I'm gonna raise the table, and I've got a solution so that we don't have those parts overlapping anymore. I'll show you in a second. So we'd previously built this little shield so that we didn't have sawdust following in between the CNC table and the conveyor belt. And is what we did is we raised that up. This was our piece of our last spoil board. We're about 3/8 of an inch. So the spoil board will never get lower than this because we always change it. And so now when we have parts that are small and they would be full, in the past they would drop down and fall underneath, it still will always push, and we won't have parts stack up like this anymore and cause problems over here. So quick, easy improvement.